Sounds like coffee. Maybe in the distance, giant cosmic owl. I've been hearing it since 2013, but I've just never been able to really capture like